Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Ownprint editor where you bring your jewelry designs to life. Let's dive in. This is your canvas. In the center, you'll see your jewelry shape with a light outline showing the safe area where your design will be engraved. On the left, you have everything you need to create. Let's start by adding a design. In the Designs tab, you can browse our ready-made design vault, sorted by category. Just click any design to place it onto your shape. You can also head to the Uploads tab to add your own artwork by dragging it in or clicking to upload. And the Elements tab gives you decorative pieces like hearts, stars and accents to make your design your own. Now, here's where it gets powerful. Let's say you found a design you love and you'd like to make it your own by adding your own text. It's easy. Just select the design, click the eraser, and brush away the existing text. Then head to the Text tab and add your own. Type your message, pick your font, and play with the styling. You can make it bold, change the size, adjust the spacing, and even curve your text, so it follows the shape of your jewelry perfectly. And if you're creating a piece for a name in another language, our built-in converter can write it in Greek, Cyrillic, Arabic, Hebrew, and more. So now you've taken an existing design and made it completely your own. But let's go even further. Maybe you want to reimagine a design entirely. Select it, click the AI button, and describe the changes you'd like. Our AI will remake the design for you in seconds. And if you'd like to create your own design from scratch, it's never been easier. Head to the AI tab, describe what you're imagining, and Ownprint will create a brand new design for you, perfectly shaped to fit your jewelry. Once your design is on the canvas, you're in full control. Click to select it, and from there you can move it, resize it from the corners, rotate it or flip it. You can also duplicate it, and if you've uploaded your own photo, the magic doesn't stop there. You can remove its background instantly, leaving just the subject, with no editing software needed, or transform your photo into beautiful artwork, turning it into line art, a sketch, pixel art and more with a single click. On the right, the Layers panel lets you organize everything, stacking, hiding or locking each piece as you work. And at the top, you'll always find Undo and Redo, so you can experiment freely without worrying about mistakes. You can also zoom in for the fine details and zoom back out to see the full picture. When everything looks just right, click Apply and Continue. This saves your design onto the jewelry and takes you to the next step. And if you'd like, you can download your design too. And that's the Ownprint editor. Everything you need to turn an idea into a piece of jewelry your customers will love.